Hiro-san,
Yes.
beautiful morning here in Miami.
Yeah, to Miami airport.
Yes, and we are headed to an exciting place. I cannot wait. Where are we going, Hiro?
So first we are going to the New York, and after we are fly to the Copenhagen, Denmark, and after that we're going to Faroe Island.
Yes, it's finally happening. Can't believe it. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's see what kind of fish we can find in the Faroe Islands, right? I don't know if we can go fishing there, but we'll see. All right, Hiro, we made it. Faroe Islands. Check this out. Check out this backdrop. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, huh?
This flight was a little tough.
A little warm, right?
So hot inside.
Yeah. This is the place. We can't wait to explore it. Coming up soon. Hey! Paul, how are you? You're on camera now. Hello. Sorry.
We'll just drive to a village called Gasadal before we go to Torshavn.
Okay, sure.
It's quite a beautiful place, but it's a bit cloudy today, but normally a lot of tourists go there. It's not many years ago that you couldn't drive here. You had to walk over the mountain to get to this village or take the helicopter.
Wow.
And over there we have Mykonos. That's an island that's very famous for the bird life. So a lot of people come just to watch birds on that island.
How many pens total here?
20.
20 pens.
Yeah, but we have
Okay.
harvested 3.
So there are 17 left.
Yeah.
Okay. Each time you harvest one full pen at a time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
138 times so far, and it will get 100 and...
It's got to 100.
Yeah.
These are feeding times per day.
Yeah.
Starting at 8 a.m. until 4 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay. Because once they are fed, not every salmon is going to eat or get to the food. Oh, you see them. Wow, they're very active. You see they're looking for the food. All right, Hiro, we're going to be
Going to the moon.
going to the moon. Check you out. All right. Going to go to the pens right now, one of them at least. This is the largest site for Bakkafrost. There's 20 pens here. Saw earlier. And here's going to catch his own salmon. Pick one lucky fish, Hiro. And we're gonna give it a name. We're gonna call it Sushi. Okay? Alright. Trying to get a big one here. Look, a very big one there, okay. Yeah, that one's good. Ooh. So the odds of catching a salmon here are very, very good. Obviously, you have your own net. And you have a bunch of salmon here towards the top. Yes, Hiro! Come on, all your CrossFit. Let's do it, Hiro! He's struggling. There's a fight. There's a fight. Oh, yes. Oh, what a fight, Hiro. You fought with it. Nice, nice, nice. Big one. Oh, beautiful salmon. Hiro-san, good job. Beautiful salmon. I kind of feel bad for the salmon, you know? He's lived his life for about 2.5, 3 years. Great job, Hiro.
It's heavy though.
That was fun. Yeah, no position. The way you were holding it at the end.
Yeah, then it just.
Wow. What a beautiful fish. Look at that. It's not get fresher than this. job well done. I'm not doing well.
Can't see the answer. The oil off it one day ago, right?
Okay, Hiro hasn't been to the gym in about 3 days. Hiro-san, this is your 10 kilogram salmon. Okay, go ahead, walk. Squat. Lunges, yeah, do lunges. One leg in front of the other. One leg in front of the other, go. Walk, yeah, down. There, yes. Keep going. This is great. So you're always trying to get his workout. Even all the way here in the Faroe Islands. Your coach would be really proud of you, Hiro. Right, so here was just saying, since this fish was just harvested yesterday, right?
Yes.
Less than 24 hours. How is the flesh?
It's very good.
It's still very good, right?
Firm flesh.
Okay.
Very firm flesh, and it melts in the mouth.
Okay.
Very
Oh,
good.
that's great. How's it?
Very good.
So good, right?
Yeah. It's the best.
Of course. Absolutely the best. Okay, I want to hear Hiro's opinion. Hiro caught this fish. He had a fight with it for a little bit. Very heavy. Thank you very much.
Very fresh.
Very fresh, right?
Fresh, yeah.
How's the meat, Hiro? This is less than 24 hours.
Got texture, little bouncy texture.
Okay.
Which
But it doesn't
very
get
good.
fresher than this. Absolutely not. Okay, this is the belly side.
Dus ik kan niet arbeider voor Så arbeider vi hier.
Good. Well, everyone's opinion here. Everyone's pretty happy. That is a good sign. Best salmon in the world. Hiro-san, what a wonderful day it's been.
Oh yes, so
Wonderful few days actually. From the time you caught the salmon.
yeah, yesterday we cut the salmon, and today we cut it all the way to the sashimi,
Right.
and all the stuff coming from the office, and everybody had a sashimi.
Yeah, it was
Sashimi.
incredible. And the whole production line, from beginning to end, this company does it all. I know you agree with me with this statement, but I'm so fortunate to have had the best salmon in the world, and more importantly, to watch you, right, fillet whole salmon here in the Faroe Islands
Yeah.
from the source.
Front of the headquarters office.
Yeah, it's been a joy. So you guys got to keep watching. You guys are going to see much more from this amazing company. Until then, Hiro-san, we'll see you soon.
皆さんこんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。今回ですね、日本のサブタイトルを入れてですね、新しいチャンネルをスタートしました。オリジナルのチャンネルはダリー・アリーズ・オブ・アマスター寿司シェフと言いますね。日本のねサブタイトルを入れてですね、日本の皆さんに楽しんでもらいたいと思いまして、このチャンネルを始めました。どうぞご覧ください。Today I have a great news. Japanese subtitle version channel is start. The name is Terada Sushi Dojo. It's in the kanji. Of course, you guys cannot read it, but a new channel. It's already started. Please watch it. So every video at the beginning, I am speaking in Japanese, a special introduction there. So something new. And in the future, a lot of videos coming. Also, Japanese special version of the video also coming too. So please stay tuned. More subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.